to Bhavna's kitchen. Today I'm making roasted garlic into the air fryer, or you can use oven. Roasted garlic is one of my favorite on pizza, with pasta, even in soup and many salads. I love the flavor of roasted garlic than just using the raw garlic or the sauteed garlic. It really brings out amazing flavor when the garlic is roasted. So let me show you how I roast garlic into the air fryer. Peel the papery outside wrapping from the garlic bulb. Slice the top quarter inch off the garlic head to expose the cloves. Place each garlic head into the center of a piece of aluminum foil. Drizzle the garlic bulb with oil. If desired, season with salt and pepper. And wrap tightly, sealing the foil at the top. Place the prepared garlic bulbs into the air fryer basket. Set the air fryer at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, check the garlic bulbs. Be very careful, it will be hot. Carefully open the foil and put it back in. And now roast the garlic bulbs another 5 minutes open to get that nice golden color. Alright, so let's check the garlic. Look at the roasted garlic bulbs just in 20 minutes. Remove the roasted garlic cloves just by squeezing. As you can see, they pop out easily. By the way, I love to sprinkle some dried parsley on my roasted garlic. So you saw how quick and easy it is to roast your own garlic at home. You can then add some olive oil in it to preserve longer and refrigerate and use as needed. I prefer to finish them up in about a couple of weeks, but you know, I just prefer to make fresh. One time I was at one of the supermarket and they were selling roasted garlic in olive oil, and trust me, it was way overpricey than you would make at home easily. So I thought, why not roast garlic at home? So once I have some leftover, even I just, you know, cover with the, after adding a little bit of oil, cover with the plastic and you know, like seal properly so it doesn't smell in your refrigerator. But I noticed that roasted garlic do not smell as much as like the raw garlic if it is peeled and, you know, stored into the refrigerator. But I prefer to store this way just to avoid any kind of a smell into the refrigerator. Roasted garlic can be mashed easily. Add the mashed garlic into the softened butter to make garlic spread butter. You can make garlic spread just with mashed garlic as well if you don't like to use butter. Our family favorite is cheesy garlic bread sub sandwich. Apply the roasted garlic spread on the sub bread. Sprinkle cheese as much or as little as you want, and then using the broil function, bake lightly till nice golden brown like this, and then top it up however you like. Some of my family members just love cheesy garlic sub bread, and then some like veggie loaded sub sandwich. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can also watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire, or just using an YouTube app if you have a smart TV. And you can also download Bhavna's Kitchen apps for free on your iOS, Android and many other devices. Thanks for watching and see you soon.